Blacksmithing is one of the oldest living crafts. For centuries, it was fire and steel, strike after strike. Then the tools evolved. Machines took the heaviest part, the repetition, the force, but the craft remained. Because craft depends on something more: judgment, taste, knowing when something is right. Design is no different. You build with systems, components, real constraints. And now AI is part of the work. But most AI tools don't know your system. They generate outside it, outside your source of truth. So you rebuild. Engineering rebuilds. The work splits. AI should reduce friction, not create another layer. That's why we built Forge, AI that works within your design system, with the same components your team builds with. So what you create is already grounded in reality. From idea to production, one continuous motion. The tools evolve. The craft stays yours. Forge, now in UXPin.